Artistic touch in every tile. Elevate your hotel space. A hotel is more than just a place to stay. It's an experience, an emotion, and a story waiting to be told. Every corner, every pattern, and every tile underfoot contribute to a harmonious masterpiece, enhancing the ambience and exclusivity of the space. Viettiles and encaustic cement tiles are the perfect medium to tell this story, one of art, tradition, and timelessness. Versatile applications, unique design accents. Whether it's the hotel lobby, restaurant, hallway, bathroom, bar, or swimming pool, Viettiles adds a distinctive charm. The diversity of patterns and colors allows each hotel to create its own signature, reflecting its unique brand identity. If you are searching for a material that blends vintage charm with elegance and sustainability, Viettiles is your ultimate choice. Contact us now to receive sample collections and personalized design consultations for your hotel project.